Hey, in this video, I'll show you something really cool, how to schedule text messages on any iPhone. So if you appreciate me making this video, you know what, you can give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So to actually schedule text messages, you want to type in shortcut, swipe up on your iPhone and type in shortcuts. And here it is. You want to open the app, you want to click on automation at the middle, you want to, let me delete this one, click on create personal automation, you want to click the first option, time of day, then you want to select the time. Let's say you want it weekly at, for example, 5 a.m. For some reason you want to wake up your friends, you click on add action here. You want to type in message in the bar, message, here it is, message. Who can you add? Send message to recipients, and you can add, for example, my wife. I'll add her. Look at that. And then you click on, show less. Yeah, send message, and in the message, if you type on it, you can say, hey, to Zvotelina. Then you click on next and done. And now every morning at 5 a.m., my wife will get a text from me. How cool is that? If this video helped you out, give me a like. Any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.